Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play with friends using a guest account in PUBG Mobile. Playing as a guest offers a quick way to jump into the action. However, directly adding friends might not be straightforward until you take an important step. Understanding the nature of guest accounts is your first move toward teaming up. We will cover the specific actions needed to make this possible. The most critical step is linking your temporary guest account to a more permanent platform, such as Facebook, Google Play, or Twitter. This action secures your game progress and activates the full suite of social features. Navigate to your in-game settings, usually found by tapping the gear icon, then look for the Link Account section. Choose your preferred service to complete this essential process. With your account successfully linked, you can now freely add friends in PUBG Mobile. Go to the Friends section, typically located on the left side of your main lobby screen. Here, you can send requests by entering a friend's player ID or their exact in-game name. Once they accept, simply tap their name on your friend list to invite them to your squad for a match. Remember, linking your guest account is crucial for a complete and secure PUBG Mobile experience. It protects all your hard-earned progress, including ranks, items, and achievements, preventing potential loss. This simple step transforms a temporary account into a permanent one, allowing you to fully enjoy teaming up with friends. Make sure to complete this process early on for peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.